Hello children, today we are going to study about Chapter 1 Microsoft Word 2010. Before entering to the topic, we just learn about what is word processor. The software used for word processing or documentation is known as word processor. With the help of a word processor, you can type, edit, format and modify documents like letters, essays, notice, etc. While typing, you can easily correct mistakes with the help of a word processor. A few of word processor available today are Microsoft Word, Notepad, WordPad, OpenOffice Writer, etc. Microsoft Word is the most popular word processing software. In Module 1, we are going to study about what is MS Word and parts of MS Windows 2010. What is Microsoft Word 2010? Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processor released by Microsoft as a part of MS Office package. Microsoft company has released many versions of MS Office. Now let's learn how to open MS Word 2010 in our computer system. There are two ways to start MS Word 2010. The first way is click on Start button and second step is select all programs and find out the Microsoft Office folder and then click on Microsoft Word 2010. This is one method. Another method is double click on the shortcut icon of Microsoft Word on the desktop. Now an empty Microsoft window titled Document 1 Microsoft Word appears on the screen. Now let's study about parts of MS Word window. Title bar. At the top of the MS Word window, we can able to see the title bar. Title bar displays the name of the application and the file name you have opened. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is usually located on the upper left corner of the Word window, next to the File tab. It works as a shortcut to commands under various menus. It consists of some of the most commonly used commands in MS Word. We can add or remove commands from the Quick Access Toolbar with the help of the arrow button on the right corner of the toolbar. Tabs. Tab is the most helpful option in MS Word 2010. You can see the tab just below the title bar. Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review and View are the tabs. Home is the default selected tab. When you click on each tab, different options will be displayed just below it. Ribbon. Ribbon is a set of tab contents that shows items under a tab in group wise. It is located just below the tabs. By default, the ribbon shows the options under the Home tab. If you click on another tab, the options under the tab will appear on the ribbon. Status bar. At the bottom of the MS Word window, you can see a bar called Status bar. It provides information about the current document including page number, line number, number of words used in the document. Ruler bar. The ruler bar is used as a scale. It shows the width and height of the page. It is also used to set the margin of a document. Zooming slider. The zooming slider is located on the bottom right corner of the Word window. It helps to enlarge or reduce the page view of the document. You can see plus and minus buttons on the bar. The plus button enlarges and the minus button reduces the size of the page view. Workspace. Workspace is the work area of MS Word window. It is also known as text area of the window. The matter while typing appears here. You can write, edit, format, align and design your works here. You can see a small line blinking on the top left corner on the workspace. It is called the cursor. Layout bar. The layout bar is located on the bottom right side of the window, just before the zooming slider. It helps you to determine on which layout the current page should appear. There are 5 layouts views, namely print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. Scroll bar. Scroll bars are used to move through the page up and down or right and left. If you click on the right arrow of a scroll bar, the window will move to the right and vice versa. The scroll bar is known as horizontal scroll bar. Similarly, the scroll bar at the right of the window helps you to move up and down by clicking up or down arrow. The scroll bar is known as vertical scroll bar.